We don't buy them each.
$20. Does that
We
sound
didn't get a
believable?
residual. So you're
Yeah, you didn't get a residual. Yeah, I know what they are.
But we didn't use the residual from last time.
You gotta get a residual if you do anything to the car.
Let's see what you got. Oh, that's right. You had no documentation. Let's see what you
Okay,
got.
now this actually
Okay,
shows.
sorry, I didn't know.
I think you owned it last time.
This actually shows where I bought the car for $35.70 from the beer bellied car salesman that had no title to go with the car.
Right.
And there's the bush growing out of the hood that we were telling you about.
Okay. Now what do we got?
And then this is the van and the cheaty race motor right here that you busted us on the last tree.
What about the brand new cheating tensioner you got?
Okay,
Right. Okay.
But that's where we're bringing.
What about the cheaty crayons you used to paint those things?
Yeah.
Hey, I had to ask my daughter how much the crayons cost. I don't know.
Do we
Your
have
wife.
more?
Okay.
Let me see here.
This is the cab. Remember when I got the disc brake rear end out of the cab? You said
The LSD.
yeah.
Phil, you think we ought to check it for roller rock?
Oh man, because I got some good deals.
Phil, this guy's a ringer. This guy's a ringer too.
Yeah, you got the ringers, man. That's nice. They're good. Stick figure motor. Oh, wait, we got more.
Okay, this is where we bought the transmission in the swap meets from the guy with the ski mask on right
He
there.
actually has one of those.
Yeah.
Okay.
We give him $100, $150, $150 and a bag of syringes,
If
man.
I like
I
this.
keep it so well, maybe look at the spots.
Well, I like this
keep
car. Oh,
looking?
yeah. I'm documenting all of this here.
Nearly 1,000 hours later, we're all getting pretty happy here, man.
Right.
The car's ready. Look, happy.
Yeah, I doubt that.
Future limits, champs. Which look,
Can't you say $80 an hour? They got 1,000 hours.
All right, give me your check sheet.
I hope you gave your daughter extra TV for that little thing you did.
I've actually got pictures of her helping us work on this
I
car.
know this might be classic. It's actually fairly clean.